Okay, modern humans have strange survival instincts. Food? Optional. Water? Important. Phone battery? Absolute emergency. When battery hits 1%, civilization collapses. Enter the BLAVOR solar power bank. And unlike some survival gadgets, this one actually makes sense. At its core, it's a 10,000 milliamp hours portable battery that can recharge your phone multiple times, depending on the device. It supports 20-watt fast charging through USB-C and even has wireless charging for compatible phones. No cable? No problem. Cavemen appreciate less tangled lines. Now let's talk about the solar panel. Here's where people get confused. This is not a magic charger that quickly fills itself from sunlight. The solar panel is best thought of as an emergency backup. Leave it in the sun long enough, and it can slowly add charge when you have no other options. For normal use, you'll still want to fully charge the power bank from a wall outlet before your trip. That's how it's designed to be used. And honestly, that's a good thing. It also includes dual LED flashlights, making it useful for camping, hiking, power outages, roadside emergencies, or keeping in an emergency kit. One gadget, several jobs. Cavemen approve. It's also built for outdoor use, with a rugged design that's more resistant to splashes and rough handling than a typical battery pack. Now, for the honest part, if you're buying this because you think the sun will fully recharge it every afternoon, you'll probably be disappointed. Solar charging on compact power banks is slow by nature. The real value is having a reliable battery first, with emergency solar charging as a backup. Used that way, it's a genuinely useful piece of gear. Sometimes survival isn't about making fire. Sometimes it's making sure Google Maps still works. Caveman adapt. Caveman always adapt. Caveman left the Amazon link in the description if Tribe wants backup power for camping, emergencies, or everyday life. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds. Human fear dead batteries. Caveman now understands why.